Initiating simulation 009. Detection: gamma ray burst. A gamma ray burst is the brightest event in the universe, a sniper shot from across the galaxy. And Earth is in the crosshairs. It travels at the speed of light. There is no warning, no sirens. 1 second, it's Tuesday. The next second, the sky turns blinding white. The blast hits the upper atmosphere. In 10 seconds, it destroys 35% of the ozone layer. The Earth's shield is gone. Without ozone, lethal UV radiation pours down. Anyone outside is instantly blinded. A sunburn that usually takes hours happens in seconds. The energy splits nitrogen atoms in the air, turning our blue sky into a toxic brown smog of nitrogen dioxide. But the real killer is invisible. The radiation shreds DNA. The marine food chain collapses as plankton die off. The brown smog blocks the sun, triggering a sudden global cooling event. A radioactive ice age begins. Starvation, radiation sickness. Cancer rates hit 100%. Complex life on Earth is reset to the microbial level. Simulation result: the Great Filter. It has happened before. It will happen again.